Most of you have probably seen this kind of reel before, a video with a funny voiceover explaining what's happening, filled with catchy captions, emojis, and sound effects that keep you hooked. That's called the commentary niche. And here's the best part, it never dies. It's an evergreen niche. Anyone who learns how to do it right can grow fast and win big on platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok. But maybe you've been wondering, how do people actually make these videos? Or maybe you've even tried copying another channel's video script or voiceover, just to see if it works. Don't worry, you're not alone. Everyone starts somewhere. But after watching this video, you won't be the same creator you are right now. Because today, I'm going to show you exactly how these kinds of videos are made, step by step. Here's what we'll cover: how to find your perfect niche. Yes, commentary has many powerful sub-niches you can dominate. How to find viral videos that actually get views. How to craft the best storytelling script to keep viewers watching till the end. How to create an AI-generated realistic voiceover that sounds amazing. And finally, how to edit your video in CapCut easily, even if you're a complete beginner. And guess what? If you stay until the end, I'll give you my arrow effects, red circle overlays, and sound effects completely free. Just watch till the end, and I'll show you exactly where to get them. You can literally call this a full mini course on the commentary niche. Oh, and one more thing, our team includes several skilled short-form editors and creators who specialize in this type of content and more. So, if you ever need help with your channel, whether it's editing, content creation, or strategy, just send a message to this email. We'll help you take your channel to the next level. Let's dive into one of the most underrated, yet powerful things that can make your content blow up: finding the right sub-niche. Most people approach this the wrong way. When they decide to start making content, they just open TikTok or YouTube Shorts, scroll for hours, and whenever they find a viral video, they download it, copy it, and try to recreate it. Now, there's nothing wrong with being inspired by viral content, but the problem is that most creators do it without any clear niche or strategy. They're just picking random clips and hoping one of them goes viral. That's like throwing darts blindfolded and hoping to hit the bullseye. Here's the truth: you don't need to go on a long hunt for your perfect sub-niche. It's already inside you. Every one of us has something we're naturally curious about or passionate about. Maybe it's soccer, fashion, tech gadgets, funny pets, or motivational stories. Let's take soccer as an example. If you're a soccer fan, you already have an advantage. You know the players, the rivalries, the biggest leagues, the underrated teams, and even the behind-the-scenes stories. That's gold. You're 10 times more likely to create better content in that area because you understand the culture, the jokes, and the emotions behind it. When you create content from your real interest, no one can beat you because your passion gives you authenticity, something people can instantly feel through the screen. Before you start, ask yourself honestly, what kind of content would I still enjoy making, even if it didn't go viral right away? If you choose a niche just because it looks profitable or trending, you'll probably quit after your second or third video. That's exactly what happens to most beginners. They copy random clips they don't even understand, hoping to get quick results, and then give up when it doesn't work. But when you work within your true interest, you'll stay consistent, and consistency is what builds viral channels. Let's take a look at a few creators who mastered the art of sub-niching and turned their passion into massive success. The first example is a channel called I Am Batpool. This creator built his entire channel around one theme: Marvel movies. Every single video he makes is connected to that universe, from actor stories and movie mistakes to behind-the-scenes facts and fan theories. He doesn't post random viral clips. He sticks to one sub-niche and builds depth within it. And if you look at his stats, it's paying off. He averages over 2 million views per video. That's the power of focusing on what you love. He's not just chasing views, he's creating from genuine passion. His obsession with Marvel turned into a brand, and that brand now earns him real money. You can do the same thing. If you're obsessed with Avatar, Stranger Things, or any other movie series, you can build your own community around that. People love creators who share their same obsession. It creates instant connection and loyalty. The second example is a channel called InFace Diary. This channel absolutely dominates the pet niche. Each video features adorable pet clips paired with engaging voiceovers and storytelling. The creator doesn't even film the animals. She just collects and narrates existing videos in a unique, emotional way. And the results? An average of over 11 million views per video. That's insane. Think about that. The creator is simply adding a creative voiceover to other people's content, yet the value they add makes all the difference. That's the secret to success in sub-niches. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to bring your own voice, your style, and your storytelling to it. So whether your passion is in pets, sports, movies, or travel, pick your lane, study what works, and make it yours. Once you've identified your sub-niche, it's time to find viral content videos within it. The simplest way is to train your algorithm. Go to TikTok or YouTube Shorts and start watching videos only from your chosen niche. Like, comment, and save a few that perform well. After a few minutes or hours, the algorithm will start feeding you the best and most viral content related to your niche. This step is important because you're building your personal inspiration feed. Now, here's a secret that most people don't talk about. Instead of only taking ideas from short-form videos, go watch full YouTube videos in your niche. Why? Because 99% of your competitors are only taking ideas from shorts or reels. When you watch long videos, you can find viral moments or stories that no one else has clipped yet. Those moments can become your unique short-form content that nobody's seen before. Now that you have your viral video idea, let's talk about how to write a powerful commentary script. If you're a natural storyteller or writer, great, write it yourself. But if you're not confident in your writing, don't worry, there's a smarter way. Here's the trick. Before you ask AI to write your script, you should first describe what's happening in the video in your own words. Open a Google Doc and write down what you see, not as a script, but as a simple explanation. For example, watch this video.
Alright, Brody, I just got new clippers, so scream if it hurts, alright?
Alright.
All good?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. All done. Thank you.
So for this, a guy is getting a haircut and the barber tells him to scream if it hurts, but the way he screams is so dramatic that it becomes hilarious. That's not a perfect script, and it doesn't need to be. It's just the raw idea of what's happening. Once you've written that, copy your text and paste it into ChatGPT or any AI writing tool with this prompt. I'm creating short commentary videos. Here's a simple explanation of what's happening in my clip. Please turn this into a powerful narration script with a strong hook, smooth flow, and satisfying payoff. Here's my draft. Then paste your text here. When you do this, AI will transform your rough idea into a polished, engaging script that feels like something you'd hear in a viral short. Remember, the hook in the first 3 seconds is everything. That's what makes people stop scrolling. So make sure your AI-generated script starts with something curious, funny, or emotional, something that instantly grabs attention. Now that your script is ready, you need a voiceover to bring it to life. If you have a good microphone and a clear voice, go ahead and record it yourself. It adds authenticity. But if you're not comfortable speaking, or your accent doesn't match the tone you want, AI voiceovers can help a lot. There are many AI tools out there, but one of the best and most realistic ones is 11 Labs. I've personally used it for years, and it keeps improving. Even its free version sounds professional. Link in the description. Here's how to use it. Go to the text-to-speech section, paste your script. Before generating, choose your favorite voice. You can experiment. They have voices that sound human, emotional, and natural. You can even clone your own voice or your favorite creator's tone if you want. For this example, let's use one of the default voices, Mark. Once you paste your script and hit generate, you'll have a clean, realistic voiceover that's ready to use in your video. By the way, this isn't a promo, just a personal recommendation from my experience and an affiliate. Now you have everything you need: your sub-niche, a viral video idea, a professional script, a realistic AI voiceover. The final step is to edit them together in a way that keeps people watching. Before I start editing, I want to give you the red circle, arrow, and sound effects pack that I promised earlier. To get the pack, I've uploaded all the assets to my Discord server in the Assets channel, so join our free Discord server and download them from there. You can find the server link in my bio, and I'll also put it in the description. The server is completely free, and you'll find tons of useful stuff there, including job opportunities and many other resources. Now let's start editing. Open CapCut PC, then import your video, voiceover, and the packs you downloaded. First, let's make the interface optimized for vertical editing. To do that, click the button in the top right corner, then select Add to Vertical. Once you do this, your interface will look like this. Now drag your video and voiceover to the timeline. The first thing you should do is cut out the silent parts of your voiceover so it flows smoothly. Next, as you can see, there's some text on the video. We need to blur it. To do that, go to the Effects tab and search for Blur. Drag and drop the blur effect onto your video. At this point, the whole video will be blurred, but we only want to blur the text. To fix that, click the blur effect on the video, then open the mask option. Click Add Mask. Move the blur area over the text, adjust the size, and blur only the text part. Now, let's add captions. Go to the Captions button on the top, then click Generate. CapCut's AI will automatically generate captions for you. Once it's done, move the first caption to the center. When you move it, all the captions will move together because that option is enabled. Now adjust the captions manually if needed, since CapCut might make small positioning mistakes. Next, we need to choose the best caption style, since this is a short video. Click the first caption and go to Templates. You'll find tons of amazing templates here. It's absolutely insane. Choose your favorite one that fits your video's vibe. For now, I'll pick this one because it looks fast and engaging. When I click it, it automatically applies to all captions. As you can see, it gave me perfect captions in just a minute. Now let's add a red circle or arrow effect at the beginning to hook viewers' attention. Pick one you like from the pack you downloaded. For background music, go to pixabay.com, click on music, and search for something that fits your video's mood. For this tutorial, I'll use this funny track, download it, import it into CapCut, and drag it to the bottom of the timeline. Adjust the audio levels, and boom, you're done. Here's what the final video looks like.
So this guy's getting a haircut, right? And the barber tells him, if it hurts, just scream. Sounds simple until you hear the scream.
Alright, Brody. I just got new clippers, so scream if it hurts, alright?
Alright.
All good?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. All done. Thank you.
I know it looks effortless, but I made this video just to show you how these types of videos are created. When you make your own, add your creativity, editing style, and personal touch. If you're wondering how many views this video got, here's the result. I posted this video 15 hours ago, and it reached over 22,000 views. Pretty good, right? I made this just to show you the process. There's no special trick here, but it still has the potential to go viral. Now imagine if you put in more creativity and effort, how many views could you get? If you watched until now, congratulations. You're a real creator, someone who takes YouTube seriously and puts in the time. I'm 100% sure you enjoyed this tutorial, so please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And if you're stuck in a view jail, click this next video. It has already helped thousands of creators. See you there.